time dilation, and in 20th century, extremely accurate atomic clocks have been flown on jet aircraft. When they compare to the identical clock at rest, has confirmed the Einstein theory of time dilation. What we were seeing, we saw that the clocks in motion shows a slightly slower passage of time than the one at motion, than the one at rest. So it can predict the Einstein theory of time dilation. The other thing, third one thing is, when we are talking about special theory of relativity, the third one thing is length contraction. It is the magic of science. When an object is moving at relativistic speed, its length will be shorter. For example, if we have spaceship, it has length of 200 feet when it is at rest. But when it is moving, I'm so sorry, the slide doesn't work here. So if we have spaceship at rest, it has a length of 200 feet. But when it is moving at 6% or 10% at the speed of light, its length will be 199 feet. But when it is moving at 65% the speed of light, its length will be changed into 50%, 50 feet. And when this object is moving at 99.99% at the speed of light, its length will be only 3 feet. So is it a magic of length contraction? The fourth thing I'm going to discuss here is time travel. So please take your seatbelts hard, and because we're going to move to the time travel. So the question is in our mind that when we're talking about time, is time travel possible? Everyone got excited when we were talking about time travel. But I mentioned earlier that time travel is not possible. Because the theory of Einstein is equal to mc squared, that when you are approaching the speed of light, your mass will not be the same. Your mass will convert into a massive amount of energy. And you cannot take infinite amount of energy to reach or to take that speed of light. And the other thing, time stops. Time stops for that object when it is moving at speed of light, and time must go backward. Time must go backward for that object that is moved faster than speed of light, and that is not possible. Until now we have no any evidence of time travel. So this is all about special theory of relativity. And other part of relativity is general theory of relativity. So general theory of relativity is Einstein's miraculous, or say Einstein, what to say? General theory of relativity is Einstein a miraculous gift. When the deepest scientific insight of all time, and when we are talking about gravity, that Newton gave us the world some insight into gravity, that he wrote down the equation F is equal to g m of r square. That tells us that every object in the universe pulls every other object. But even so, when Einstein he started to think about these ideas, was left unsatisfied. Because Newton never told us that how gravity actually exists. What the mechanism behind it? Why the sun is pulled to the earth and earth pulled to the sun, and so on, and the same case with the other planets? What the reason? So Einstein spent 10 years. Einstein spent 10 years trying to figure this out, and he indeed come up with the answer. The answer is that the mechanism by which that force is exerted is nothing. It's nothing but traps and curves in space and time. That it's the geometry of the universe that communicates the world and then communicates the planets to each other. And it is the curvature of space and time. Before giving this idea, we only know that there are only 3 dimensions. But Einstein gave us that time is the 4th dimension. So here I'm going to explain you with an example that how the gravity exerts and what the mechanism by which that force is exerted to the planets. Here, let's suppose space is flat. space is flat when there is no matter present on it. Here's a space. Einstein said that if you bring a sun in it, the fabric of space curves, as you see in this model.
Can you please pick this one up? So some
Sure.
few students come. You can get some students.
Yeah, the fabric of space curves. And if you look, these are the planets, like these are the Earth, and these are the Mars, and like some other planets. And if you look, they are rolling along a valley that the sun creates in this environment. They are rolling along a valley. Please put down here. So this general theory of relativity predicts that gravity actually is that they are rolling along a valley. As you see that this is the sun, and the fabric of space is because of the sun, and the planets are rolling along this. So this is another miraculous prediction of Albert Einstein, general theory of relativity. Another prediction by Einstein is gravitational lensing. So a gravitation lens is a distribution of matter between a distant source and an observer. It is capable of seeing that. For example, I'll give you an example. If this is a star, and its name is Cosine, and Cosine is very far away from there. It is approximately 1 million light years away from the Earth. If there is nothing between it and us, we can see exact image of the Cosine. But when a huge, massive galaxy or cluster or black hole blocking the direct view of the Cosine, the light will be bent. As you see that, the light will be bent by the background source, by the gravitational field of this galaxy. This is another prediction of Albert Einstein. So we can say that our understanding of the universe is enhanced to a great extent because of Einstein. Now we have better understanding of how gravity works and how it actually works. Thank you.